Hi, my name is Rebecca, and today we are going to set up the EVERSE 8 for Bluetooth streaming. To control your EVERSE 8 remotely, you will first need to download the QuickSmart app. To do this, simply go into the App Store, type in QuickSmart, download the app, and it will appear on your screen. First, power on your EVERSE 8. Next, push and hold the input 3 and 4 button. You will then see on the screen that it is pairing. Now go into your phone. In your Bluetooth menu, make sure Bluetooth is on, then find the device name that matches your EVERSE 8. Click on that, and the EVERSE 8 and your phone will be paired. To connect two EVERSE 8s via Bluetooth, in your phone's Bluetooth menu, find the names of your devices and select them all. Once connected, exit out of Bluetooth and open up your QuickSmart app. Select all the devices you would like to control. You can connect up to 6 QuickSmart devices, such as the Evolve series and the ELX 200 series. If you're having trouble connecting to your EVERSE 8, here are some steps to take. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone. Make sure the Bluetooth on the EVERSE 8 is turned on. If not, or you see the message Bluetooth is off, simply click the master volume knob to enter into the menu. Scroll down to Bluetooth. Push the knob to enter, push the knob again to select Bluetooth, turn the knob to on, and press again to select. Exit out of the menu, then hold input 3 and 4 to pair. To reset the EVERSE 8, press the master volume knob to enter into the menu. Scroll all the way down until you see Reset. Click, then click Yes to restore default settings and Yes to erase user presets, and your EVERSE 8 will restore to factory settings.